The benefits of sea buckthorn for skin. Sea buckthorn oil has been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy against various ailments. So, what is sea buckthorn oil? Sea buckthorn, also known as Hippophae Rhamnoides, is a small berry that is grown on a shrub, which is mainly found in the cold mountains of Asia and Europe. It has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. You can extract two kinds of sea buckthorn oil from the plant. Fruit oil is extracted from the fruit pulp and seed oil from the dark seeds of the berry. Both of these oils offer some fantastic skin benefits. Sea buckthorn seed oil contains omega-3 and 6 in an almost perfect ratio, along with omega-9, and is better suited for dry and mature skin. The fruit oil, on the other hand, contains omega-6 and the highly sought-after omega-7, brilliant for aiding in skin repair and regeneration, making this oil ideal for problem skin. It's fast-absorbing and will help to soothe inflammation and reduce redness. Sea buckthorn oil also contains vitamins B1, B2, K, C, A, Ne, folic acid, an array of powerful antioxidants and minerals. Together these powerful nutrients and fatty acids work together to transform the skin. Sea buckthorn oil properties. Sea buckthorn for scars and acne. Sea buckthorn oil is especially a boon for acne sufferers as it directs the oil glands to stop producing excess sebum. This leads to a decrease in acne breakout as well as prevents it from future breakouts. Use of sea buckthorn oil helps to fade acne scars, heals blemishes, and give you a smooth skin texture. Sea buckthorn will reduce inflammation in the skin, prevent future flare-ups, help to fade scars, and promote an overall more even and smoother skin texture. Unlike conventional acne products, sea buckthorn will begin to heal your blemishes without ever drying out your skin. Sea buckthorn for anti-aging. Sea buckthorn repairs oxidative damage and has wonderful anti-aging properties. It hydrates the skin and promotes the formation of collagen, a structural protein essential for youthful skin. The anti-aging benefits of collagen are endless, from helping to plump the skin and prevent sagging to smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles. With regular use of topically applied sea buckthorn oil, not only will you notice clearer and brighter skin, you will see a reduction in fine lines too, a plumper complexion and a smoother, more refined skin texture. Promotes wound healing. If you want to speed up the healing of that pimple or even of scratches and insect bites, sea buckthorn can help. Researchers reported that the oil, along with olive oil, was so helpful at healing burn wounds that it could be considered as an alternative dressing for full-thickness burns because of improved wound healing characteristics and antibacterial property. Helps lighten age spots and hyperpigmentation. Sea buckthorn contains vitamin C, which helps lighten hyperpigmentation, and also contains antioxidant gallocatechins, which are effective against excess melanin in the skin. In a 2013 study on people with melasma, mask-like hyperpigmentation, researchers found that sea buckthorn extract helped decrease levels of melanin and helped fade the dark areas on the skin. Fights free radical damage. Sea buckthorn oil has a lot of antioxidants in it, and they all help fight free radical damage that accelerates aging. In addition to protecting the skin from UV rays, it also fights damage from pollution, smoke, poor diet, stress, and more. The high levels of SUD make this oil particularly powerful when it comes to fighting the elements that cause aging. You also get vitamins C and E, which are both antioxidants, as well as beta-carotene and free radical fighting flavonoids. Sea buckthorn oil for rosacea. Sea buckthorn berries are supercharged with more than 190 bioactive nutrients, antioxidants, and the fatty acids, omega-3, 6, 9 and the elusive omega-7, that combine to make acne and rosacea sufferers more comfortable in their own skin. Sea buckthorn oil for eczema. The beta-carotene, provitamin A, is a precursor of vitamin A and responsible for the beautiful red shade of sea buckthorn oil. It has anti-inflammatory effects on eczema or acne, protects the epithelium, and plays a role in the regenerating process of the skin. How to use sea buckthorn oil. You can add 1 drop to a 30 ml container of your favorite face oil or serum. Add 2 to 3 drops to a 60 ml container of face cream. Add a few drops to a body oil to apply fresh out of the shower. Whether you are creating your own recipe or buying products that use sea buckthorn, this superfood deserves a place in your skincare routine. Recipe for bath powder. Ingredients: 2 cups of dried sea buckthorn berry pulp, 1 cup of rolled oats, 20 drops of essential oils. Blitz the dried peels together with the oats to a fine powder. Transfer to a bowl and add 20 drops of essential oils and then mix well. Store in airtight jars and use as needed. Have you used sea buckthorn oil for your skin?
If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.